Hello, Ellen here from Glowforge. I'm going to show you how to print a custom stamp on my Glowforge Pro. I'll start by printing my stamp, and then I'll show you how you can recreate this design in under 5 minutes. To print, all I have to do is upload my design into the Glowforge app. Once I put in my rubber stamp material, the camera on my Glowforge will take a picture of it inside. I'll be able to drag, rotate, and drop my design. I can even flip it to make sure it stamps the mirror image too. With only one button to push, it's time to print. While that's printing, I'll show you how to recreate this design in under 5 minutes. Using pen and paper, I'm going to create a drawing of this design. I can't draw rectangles very well, so I'm going to use my favorite place to create quick and easy shapes. You can use design software if you want, but I'm going to use Keynote, which is PowerPoint software, not design software at all. Once I put my paper in, I can scan my drawing using the camera on my Glowforge and add the design I just created in Keynote. I'll put some wood in, and now I'm ready to print. You can print your designs as many times as you want, so I printed a necklace out of wood, and I also printed the back of my stamp handle. The possibilities are endless. Print personalized stamps or custom jewelry in minutes on your Glowforge. If you enjoyed this print, don't forget to subscribe to watch more videos from me, Nick, and the team at Glowforge.